Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14FS, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here tap on Reset Phone. Tap on Reset All Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, and tap on Reset. Here you've got the warning that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset if you're ready, and now we have to simply wait until this option will be accomplished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.